Hi Penguin class. Today is Tuesday, hoy es martes, and for today's book reading, we are reading a story called Birds. This book is obviously about birds, something that I'm sure you guys have seen and heard plenty of times outside, especially now that the weather is getting nicer. So let's find out. Let's learn some new things about birds. Birds can fly. They fly high. Some fly miles across the sky. In the spring, birds build nests, not to rest in. They build nests for their eggs, for their young. Some birds bring twigs and leaves, bits of string. What a nest! Day and night, mother bird and father bird watch their eggs. They keep them safe and warm. Soon, chip chip, the eggs crack and out slip the baby birds. They have no feathers, they cannot fly, but they are hungry, they can eat, oh my. What do the babies eat? Worms and grubs, beetles and bugs, and tiny insect eggs. They can eat ever so much. Caterpillars, grasshoppers, ants, and flies and such. Soon the young birds grow feathers. They have lessons to learn. They must learn to my mother and to find their food. Some take a turn at learning to swim, and most birds learn to fly. Some birds fly far. Some fly so far we cannot see how they find their way, for they fly hundreds of miles through pathless sky. Some birds catch their food as they fly. They snap up moths and other insects going by. They have beaks that can snap shut fast. Many birds like grains and seeds. They have short, sharp bills for pecking. They crack seeds open or swallow foods whole. Fruits and berries are the food some birds need. They swallow the berries, then they scatter the seeds. Summer passes, weeds and grasses fade, fruits disappear. Cold winds shake the trees and bushes. Winter time is near. Something tells the birds to fly southward. Off in flocks they go. Larks and warblers, thrushes, thrashers, gray geese following their leaders. Off they fly with a honk or a cry. Some birds stay. Bread and suet and seeds are the food a bird needs in the cold. On the snow you may see a small chickadee hunting seeds. The spring will bring back many birds to sing. They will nest, raise their broods, hunt their foods, sometimes rest. The right time for each they know best. The end. Bye everybody.